Alright, we're right here in Old Town, and then Juan just signed the papers, and he's coming in.
For dear life.
Woo! Woo!
You ready, cowboy? Yeah, we'll talk you through it.
They used to give you a glove.
All right, slide all the way up there, buddy.
Because it hurts your hand from holding it.
All right, cowboy, hold on to that strap now. Squeeze those legs together. Here we go. When that bull leans forward, you're going to lean all the way back for me. All right, cowboy, all the way back now. And all the way forward, buddy, all the way forward. One more time, all the way back. And forward. You got it, cowboy. You ready to go? All right, let's get you moving around a little bit.
Let's
now.
go, Juan, let's go!
Yeah, all right, here we go now. Hang on tight. Yeah, let's get. He does. He's a bull rider. All right, cowboy. Hang on tight. Here we go now. Hang on. All right, cowboy. Jump back up there, buddy. Straight back up for me now.
Come on, Juan!
All right, cowboy. Here he comes again now. Let's get you moving up there. Gonna get you. Oh, come on, cowboy. Way too short for me. Straight back up there now.
Come on, Juan! Don't
Jump
waste your
on
time!
up, cowboy.
Come on!
How much time you got?
I don't know.
Here he comes now. Hang on tight. Don't you let go of me this time, cowboy. We're going to get you bouncing around a little bit. Going to get you a little dizzy up there. Get you hopping around like a frog in a blender right now, cowboy. Here he comes. Hang on, cowboy. Hang on tight. Here he comes. He's going to try to... All right, cowboy. Come on, cowboy. Straight back up there.
Come on, Juan!
All right, here he comes now. Hang in there, buddy. We're going to get you bouncing up like a ping pong ball right now. All right, cowboy. Good job up there. Way to go, buddy. Way to go.
Yeah!
Here he comes, a little wild now, cowboy. Let's get you bouncing around a little bit. Yeah, cowboy. All right. All right, cowboy. Jump back up there one more time, cowboy. This time we're going to count down from 10 all the way to 0. See if you can hang in there, cowboy.
I just do it, what, 10 seconds?
Here we go now. We're going to get you going with 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
All right, cowboy. Let's hear it for him, folks. All right. Way to go, cowboy. All right. Good job, buddy. Way to go.
Juan, how do you feel?
How do you feel, Juan?
Like shit. Like really dizzy. Oh.